The misalignment that this frame has is temple spread, and as you can see, this one is aligned with the frame front, it's 90 degrees, and this one's not, it's more outwards. The effect that it has on the patient is that one lens looks like it's more in than the other lens. So to fix this, what we want to do is make sure that the frame ends up looking like a U. So we want to use our half padded plier, and the part that's padded should be on the outside just in case any scratches, it doesn't show on the part where it's shown. So the temple that's out, we're just going to bring it in and supporting the frame front until we get that U shape. And now that it's aligned, both eyepieces look the same.